Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the mark. Note if the stain is wet paint, drips, or a dried scuff. Use a ladder and put down a drop cloth so you work safely and keep floors clean. Once done, test a mild detergent on a hidden spot to confirm it won't strip finish. This prevents damage. If the mark is fresh, gently blot with a damp sponge. If dried, plan cleaning then light sanding. Make sure to wear eye protection and ventilate the room. Now focus on removing residue without harming the ceiling. For latex paint marks, mix warm water and mild detergent and gently scrub with a soft sponge. Rinse and blot dry. For oil-based smears, apply mineral spirits sparingly to a rag and test first, because it can affect sheen. Once the stain is gone, lightly sand any raised or glossy spots with 180-220 grit until smooth. Make sure to clean dust with a tack cloth so the repair coat will adhere properly. Finish by blocking and blending. Apply a stain-blocking primer to the cleaned area to prevent bleed-through and let it dry fully. Once dry, use a small brush or mini roller to feather on matching ceiling paint, blending outward to hide edges. Texture matters, so stipple or roll to match the surrounding finish. Make sure to inspect under natural light and recoat if needed. If the stain reappears or shows through, repeat primer and wait longer before repainting to ensure a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.